For many sensitive or high functioning people, it can actually feel safer to live in our mind than in our physical sensation until those sensations become loud enough, perhaps showing up as shallow breathing, bloating, nervous energy, or a sense that your body feels unfamiliar or difficult to trust. So learning to feel your body in small, safe, steady doses and gradually rebuild that familiarity and trust with sensation. In this short, grounding breath practice, you'll be invited to notice sensation gradually without forcing relaxation or trying to change how you feel, while supporting diaphragmatic breathing, lymphatic flow, and helping your nervous system begin to downshift. You don't need to feel calm or grounded to begin, just willing to stay present for the next 10 minutes. So let's begin gently and see what changes. Take a comfortable position, lying down or seated, and allow your eyes to remain softly open just for a moment. Before we begin changing the breath, simply notice where you are. So noticing shapes in your room, noticing light and shadow, noticing colors, distance, or texture. And you can let your head turn slowly from side to side, orienting yourself in your space and in this moment. And there's nothing you need to achieve here. We're simply allowing the nervous system to recognize that this moment is different from moments of stress or urgency. Now allow your eyes to close, or keep a soft, unfocused gaze if that's more comfortable, and feel the weight of your body being received. Feeling the back of your body widening into the surface beneath you and behind you. Now bring one hand to your lower ribs and one hand to your lower belly. And without forcing anything, begin to notice the natural movement of your breath. Noticing where your breath is already moving. Perhaps noticing the quality of it, the pacing of it. Now very gradually invite your inhale to widen your ribs sideways. And allow your belly to soften slightly forward into your hand on your inhales. So here the diaphragm is descending, gently massaging your digestive organs and helping circulate lymphatic fluid throughout your body. And on your exhales, be slow and unhurried. You might imagine your body settling heavier with each breath out. So on your inhales, your ribs widening, your belly softening and expanding. And on your exhales, slowly releasing, allowing your nervous system to unwind. And there's no perfect breath here, simply a willingness to be present and feel into your body. If it feels comfortable, you can begin to add very small rhythmic movement. So if you're seated, this may be a gentle bounce through your legs, or if you're lying down, it can be a subtle rocking through your heels or your pelvis. So the movement can be very small, like a micro movement, more like a pulse. And this rhythm supports the natural movement of your lymph, which relies on your breath and muscular motion rather than a central pump like your heart. So as you inhale, you can feel the expansion through your body. And as you exhale, you might want to softly hum or sigh. A quiet hum can help stimulate your vagus nerve and encourage a sense of internal safety. So inhaling, feeling an expansion, and exhaling, humming or sighing. And as you do this, allow your jaw to soften, allow your tongue to soften and rest, and let your breath and the small rhythmic movement in your body begin to work together. So you're not pushing your body to relax. Instead, you're giving it signals that relaxation is possible. Now allow this rhythmic movement to become slower and eventually to stop. And you can gently wrap your arms around your lower ribs or place one hand over your solar plexus and feel the warmth of your own touch. Using this as a simple form of containment. So a way of letting your body know that sensation can be held. You're simply feeling yourself and breathing here. And you may silently repeat, I am allowed to take up space. My body isn't a problem to solve. My body is a place to return to. I am allowed to take up space. My body isn't a problem to solve. My body is a place to return to. Now notice any subtle signs of regulation. Perhaps more saliva, perhaps warmth in your belly or your hands, or perhaps a slight slowing of your thoughts. Even small shifts matter. And each time you practice feeling your body in this way, you're strengthening pathways of familiarity and trust. Now release your arms and let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Taking a moment to notice your internal landscape now. Noticing the weight of your body releasing. Noticing the temperature of your body or the air beneath you or around you. And noticing any movement or stillness throughout your body. And you don't need to feel completely at home in your body, but perhaps there's a little more willingness to stay with it. When you're ready, you can gently deepen your breath and begin to move your fingers and your toes, and slowly, gently open your eyes. If this practice helped you feel even slightly more grounded or connected in your body, you may enjoy my free 5-element self-nourishment guide that I have linked below in the description. It offers small daily practices to support your nervous system, your digestion, hormonal balance, and emotional well-being, all inspired by Chinese medicine. And you can continue grounding even more right now with a short grounding yoga practice that's showing on your screen, specifically designed to help you feel safe and at home in your body. Let me know how this practice felt for you in the comments, and subscribe so you can continue practicing with me here on YouTube. Thanks so much for taking this time to be present with yourself, with your body, and with your breath. And thanks for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next video.